bread look mighty, mighty good. Got the garbage on the table there, and look at the bacon. Bacon looks so good. Oh my God, look at the burger, the cheese. I love it. Let's put it together on camera.
Yo, what up, WOP lad? So look, check it out. Man, I'm about to show y'all how I makes WOP Burger. Let me this shit classified, but let me show you. Alright, WOP lad, check this out, man. First things first. Let me make sure I got everything that I need to secure my patty. Got some scissors. I got my spatula. Yo. Got me some motherfucking I got me some butter, no stick spray. Motherfucker seasoning salt. And my grease. Alright, let's do this. You probably looking at me like this boy don't know how to cook. That boy don't know how to cook. Let me prove something. Let me show you something. Key thing is, I gotta try not to let that fire alarm go off. Yeah, feel me? You dig me? Now look. I'm finna show you what I'm finna do with these scissors, bro. Let me show you something. Hold up. Oh shit. Okay, this 4 pieces of bacon. My goof ass. Don't forget to get the patties out. Hold up. Should I make 1 or 2? I'm gonna just make 1. I ain't that home. I'm gonna just make 1. I should be making 2. But I ain't that home. But check this out, dog. Check this out. I'm finna open this thing, flip it on the opposite side, hit that hole with some seasoning. Alright, look. Now for my bacon, it's 4 pieces of bacon right here. I'm finna cut it in half. So I have 8 pieces of that. That makes sense? I don't know. The division, multiplying, you gotta do it all at once. But look. I'm gonna have 8 pieces of bacon on that WOP Burger, trust me. My fire on? Shit, motherfucker not sizzling or nothing yet, bro. But look. 8 pieces of bacon, trust me. If you don't feel like going to the restaurant, I don't care who you are. I'm finna teach you something today. I'll fuck around and get a motherfucker full just by looking at that video. Let me teach you something. Nah, though. I'm finna speed this video up till it starts sizzling.
Let me get a fork too for my bacon. Y'all can see it? Can y'all see it? Let me show you something.
You see it enough? You see it a little bit? But look though.
Boy, this shit take all day to get hot. Speed this up. I don't want to turn the fire up though, because you don't want to make the smoke detector go off. That's the key thing. Yo, the smoke detector go off, motherfucker say, you don't know how to cook, boy. But we can get down to this business though. Fuck, I'm gonna turn the fan on just in case. Alright, so now my shit's sizzling, you hear me? Now this shit is fucking white. The key thing for the bacon, bro. You don't want it too soft and you don't want it burnt. You want it just right. That's what this for. That's when this right here gonna kick in the butter. So I'm gonna do with the butter and this right here. That's way right here. Fish. Hey, you. Fish. Chef WOP in the fucking building. She smell this. Tell you don't fuck around before if you see my my video. Shit. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Give me a comment. Let me know what's up. Let me know what's up. Let me go ahead and put a little marks on my pack. And if you try this at home, make sure you got some lettuce, man. When the burger done, bro, you gon' and trust me, man. You need the lettuce, man. You need that lettuce, boy. Trust me. Trust me. Turn that fire low. This is sizzling. And I don't want the smoke tap to go up. Yeah, I got 8 pieces of bacon on one burger. Fucking turn up. Get with it, get lost. I'm gonna go ahead and repair my cheese while my burger off. My burger about 47% done, baby. Just gonna pre-open it, yeah. Alright, look. Think about time I should be flipping my patty, bro. And flipping my bacon. Flip my bacon too. How about comment something I can cook? I love food, bro. You ain't gonna see that. I just popped myself in the face. Took it like a G, you see me? I ain't flinched. I don't know about next time though, that shit hurt. Ooh, I'm glad I got a shirt on. So I be in this motherfucker cooking and don't even have clothes on sometimes. People, do not be, please be responsible in your kitchen. People, do not be irresponsible in your kitchen. Especially if you don't like hospitals. Well, you know that shit good when you be just tasting. I ain't even eating yet. Take somebody fruit punch, Arizona. Woo! That shit fire. Motherfucking phone going dead. Alright, this burger is clearly almost, my food and shit almost done. Even though I ain't got no lettuce, it's still gonna be fire. Trust me. You gonna be ready. Okay. The butter. What? Don't worry about it. Don't be patient with me. Come on now. That wobbly burger gonna be everything. Trust me. Remember, man, keep steady. Don't let that alarm go off.
Motherfucker, you saying you don't know how to cook?
Oh, you ain't know? Yeah. Gotta toast the bread, baby. Let's get that fire on right quick. Toast the motherfucking bread, baby. Toast. You can taste it. Yeah, I know you can. You see it? Look at that motherfucker sizzling, yeah. Alright, look. My bacon is starting to look red. It means almost hard. Yes. When it's your second time of trying to flip the bacon, keep a close eye on it. And now it's trying to trick you. Now it's trying to be burnt. Remember, you gotta be doing right for that toast bread, baby. I move the track. Turn that fire low for that bread. If you get that in bread, it's gonna cook much quicker than anything else up here. Alright. Now I'm finna reflip my burger on the side while I put my seasoning salt where I'm finna place my cheese. All that sesame that's on top of the burger, I need for my cheese so it can melt quick. Alright. Everything is coming. Let me mention my bread. Oh yeah, everything is coming together. Just a little dash. Little circle in the middle. That's it. That's it. Alright, my bacon. Success. Let me go ahead and sit my bacon down. That's a success right there. Take a look at that right there. Take a look at that. Hold on. Yeah, take a look at that. Who know how to cook out here? I'm gonna turn my fire up a little bit on my bread and my food is done. You hear me? My cheese is melted. My WOP Burger is 78% completed. Let's take that bread. Come on now. Let's take this bread. Not burnt, but yeah right. Oh, look. Turn the light on. You see the yellow? That's the butter. That motherfucker look good. And now it should be done.
What's up, Wobbling? Yeah, we back. Check. Here go update on that burger. I promise. Look. First thing first, before we put it together. See the butter. Bread look mighty good. Got a little garbage on the table there, and now look at the bacon. Whew. Baby, you look so good. Oh my God! Look at the burger, the cheese. Oh, hold on. Let's put it together on camera. Oh man. Yeah. Hold up. Oh yeah, baby. That motherfucker looks so good. Look. You see why I said you need lettuce? Look. You see why I said you need lettuce, man? Hold up. And when you cut the bacon in part, you got two sides of it. The skin and part and the thick, juicy. Look how thick that one is. See how thick the juicy that is? Hold on. Let me put that one back. That's too juicy. Then you got the little part of the bacon. You feel me? You got thick, juicy, and the other part of the bacon. Oh man. Sure. I done fell in love with the food, man. Hold on, I'm finna drop some drops on my bacon right quick. Get some drops. And I guarantee you will love that right there, sir. I guarantee you will love that shit. That shit is too damn good. Hold up. Let me squish it down. I can use the spatula, but I don't feel like it. Let me squish it down. Show you. I guarantee you will love that motherfucker. You will love that motherfucker. Yep. That's what's last of it, man. Like, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Leave me a comment too, partner. And Mountie.